Look at the next functional group, that is ketone functional group. Ketone functional group is C double bond O. Okay. Now, if ketone functional group is there in a compound, then suffix will be ONE. Look at the example. How many carbon atoms are there in this compound? There are 3 carbon atoms. If 3 carbon atoms are there, then what will be its root word? Its root word is prop. Prop. Now, look at the type of bonding between the carbon atoms. All are bonded by single covalent bond. So, what will be its primary suffix? Its primary suffix is ANE. Primary suffix is ANE. Now, look at the functional group. The functional group is ketone functional group. If ketone functional group is there in a compound, what is its suffix? Suffix will be ONE. So here we'll remove this E and we'll write ONE. So the name of compound is propanone. Name of the compound is propanone. Okay. Now here, next example, carboxylic acid. Functional group is COOH. Okay, or C double bond O, single bond OH. If carboxylic acid functional group is there, then suffix will be oic acid. Suffix will be oic acid. OIC, oic acid. Now look at the compound. Again, how many carbons are there? 3 carbon. Root word prop. Then type of bonding between the carbon. Again, single covalent bond. Suffix will be ANE. Now look at the functional group. Functional group is COOH, that is carboxylic acid functional group. If carboxylic acid functional group is there, then here what will be its suffix? Oic acid. So here again we'll remove this E and write oic acid. So name of compound become propanoic acid. Name of the compound become propanoic acid. Understood this? Now next one is double bond, triple bond. Let us take example. Now we already studied the classification of hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are classified on the basis of the nature of bonding into saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Okay. If single bonding is there in a compound, then it will become saturated. If double or triple bonds are there, then it will become unsaturated hydrocarbons. Okay. Now here, unsaturated hydrocarbons containing double bonds are called as alkene. And unsaturated hydrocarbon containing triple bond are called as alkynes. Now let us take the example of alkene. Okay. Now if alkene is there, then suffix will be ENE. Again, 3 carbons are there. Root word is prop. Then now in this, these 2 carbons are bonded by double bond. Okay. If 2 carbons are bonded by double bond, then suffix will be ENE. Suffix will be ENE. So here the primary suffix is ENE. So here the name of the compound is propene. Name of the compound is propene. Now look at this example. Triple bond. If triple bond is there in a compound, or the carbons are bonded by triple bond, one or more triple bond, they are told as alkyne. Suffix biene. 3 carbon. Again the root word prop. Here the triple bonding is there between these 2 carbon, so suffix will be biene. So the name of this carbon compound is propyne. Understood? Now here ketone functional group C double bond O, suffix ONE. Okay, 3 carbons are there, root word prop. All 3 carbons are bonded by single bond, primary suffix ANE. Okay. Now ketone functional group is there, and that's why suffix is ONE. So here we remove this E and we'll place this ONE suffix. So the name of this compound is propanone. Carboxylic acid functional group, formula COOH, suffix oic acid. 3 carbons are there, root word prop. All 3 are bonded by single bond. So primary suffix is ANE. Here carboxylic acid functional group is there, and that's why suffix is oic acid. So here we'll remove E and place oic acid. So name of this compound is propanoic acid. Now here example of double bond. The unsaturated hydrocarbon containing double bond are called as alkene. Okay, if double bonding is there in a compound and suffix is ENE. Okay, here 3 carbons are there, so root word is prop. Now here double bonding is there between these 2 carbons, so suffix is ANE. Understood? Then here triple bond means alkyne, suffix YNE, 3 carbons are there, root word prop, then triple bonding is there between these 2 carbons, so suffix is YNE. Okay, so these are regarding the examples which are given in the textbook. Understood this? There are several other examples are there, so try to name them. Okay.